This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your machine meets requirements and that virtualization is enabled. This prevents common install failures. Once done, verify the ISO checksum so you know the image is authentic, then flash it to a USB drive. Boot from USB, choose Graphical Install, and follow partition prompts. Use Guided if unsure. Make sure to set a strong password for root or create a standard user. That secures future tools and keeps your environment stable as you proceed. Once installed, you update the system immediately because tools depend on recent packages, run apt update and apt full upgrade, and reboot when needed. Make sure networking works, DHCP or static, so you can fetch packages and tools. If running inside a VM, install guest editions or VMware tools for clipboard and display support. Then create a non-root user for daily tasks, configure SSH carefully, and enable official Kali repositories so you can install Metasploit, Nmap, and other suites without issues. You now run tools. Begin with Nmap scans, Netcat connections, and Wireshark captures to understand targets and traffic. Practice reading outputs and refining flags. Use apt for system tools and pip inside virtualims to prevent dependency conflicts, because breaking the system Python will cause many failures. If something goes wrong, check syslogs and dmesc, verify networking and file permissions, and make use of VM snapshots. Revert to a known good state rather than troubleshooting endless misconfigurations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.